Hello students, Navankar Vidyapit welcomes you in Digi Lessons. Today we are going to study Snapshots, Supplementary Reader in English for Class 11th Core Course. Revision of 3rd Chapter, The Ranga's Marriage. Question Answers. How does the narrator describe Hoshahalli Blaze? Though the Sahibs in English missed to mention Hoshahalli Blaze on the map, yet the narrator praises his blaze. The blaze held an importance in Mysore state. This is famous for its sour mangoes. He likes this place and speaks glowingly of it. According to him, it is the gem of the Mysore state. Second, the narrator talked about a disgraceful event that happened at Ramarao's house. What was it? The use of English word was main case of that event. In the Hoshahalli Blaze, English was not known to all. When a bundle of firewood was brought to Ramarao's house, his son asked how much amount he should pay. The woman told 4 rupees. He told the woman that he didn't have any change and told her to come the next morning. The woman couldn't understand the English word and went away muttering. Third, Ranga still followed his rituals and traditions. How can you say Ranga was the son of an accountant in Hoshahalli Blaze? In Hoshahalli Blaze, people did not know English. Ranga was the only person who went to Bangalore to learn English. People feared that he would have forgotten his caste, rituals, and traditions, but when they went to meet Ranga at his home, an old woman satisfied herself that he had not given up his caste. She saw Janivara was still there. When the narrator came to him, he bowed down to touch his feet and did namaskar. These incidents prove that Ranga still followed his rituals and traditions. Question number 4. Shyama decided to get Ranga married to Ratna. How? When the narrator Shyama met Ranga, he found him very nice fellow who possessed all the qualities of a husband. Even after completion of his English course in Bangalore, he did not forget his caste, rituals and traditions. He respected his elders. After seeing the narrator was highly impressed with him and decided to get him married to Ratna. 5. What were Ranga's views about marriage? Ranga's opinion was that he should marry a girl who would be mature enough to understand him. He was searching for the right girl and didn't want to marry a girl who was too young. He decided to remain a bachelor if he couldn't find the right girl. 6. Who was the right girl for Ranga? The right girl for Ranga was the Ratna, Ramarao's niece, a pretty girl of 11. She was from a big town but came to live with Ramarao after her parents died. She knew music also. She played veena and harmonium and had a sweet voice. 7. Question number 7. His face shriveled like a roasted brinjal. Who is being referred to here and why? Answer. When Ranga was told that Ratna was married, his face shriveled like a roasted brinjal. Definitely Ranga was enchanted by Ratna and wanted to marry her, but he was disappointed after hearing this news. 8. Why was Shastri angry with the narrator? The narrator had already told the Shastri about the marriage plan of Ranga. After happened everything in right way, the narrator ridiculed the Shastras of the Shastri. The Shastri didn't like it and objected that he could have found out about everything if he had consulted his Shastras. He called the narrator an indecent fellow. 9. How did Rangappa honor the narrator and why? Ranga knew that his marriage with Ratna was possible only by the efforts made by the narrator. He didn't forget to invite him on the birthday of his son. He honored the narrator when he named his Shyama after the name of the narrator. Thank you, students.